Hi, this is a quick video to introduce how to create charts in iPhemeris. All versions of iPhemeris on iOS work the same. We'll do this demo on an iPad. Click Charts in the tab bar at the bottom of the screen. Click the plus button in the lower right to add a new chart. Enter the data from top to bottom. Set the date. The time. To set the place, just enter the name of it on the map. Zoom in to find you can enter addresses to find a specific location. If you've already entered a date and a time, now that the device has the location and it can easily look up the time zone, tap the little clock. Return. Now your chart is created. Everything's set. Hit the save button. To display it, simply tap it in the row, and then let's show it on a wheel with a chart of the transits for now. And that's it. To create a solar return or a relocation or a lunar return or any of those types of things, simply make a copy of it, select it, tap the copy button in below, allow iPhemeris to copy it. Now edit the copy. If you wanted to make a progress chart, tap this button in the right. Progress to now will create a chart that's progressed to the current date and time. If you need to see a progression for a specific date, simply enter it. Choose the style of progressions. These are fine. When you're done, tap done. Now you have a solar return and a progress chart, and it says progressed. To create a lunar return, just repeat the process. For solar return, simply enter the year. Default to now, but you can choose any year. For a lunar return, there's a little editor that'll tell you how to find the next lunar returns, and it looks for the lunar returns that have contact with the Natal, and you can just step back and forth through them. It shows you. Solar and lunar return always have to be for a location. Let's just say I was in a location at that time. And they need to be in the time zone for that place and date. Use find time zone. Do not use local mean time. Local mean time is for historical research. Now you have the solar return. And that's how you create charts. And to display them, it's simply a matter of tapping the ones that you want to see. Thanks for your interest in iPhemeris.